Everything is changing. We're seeing the stock market break out massively today. And this is very, very, very big for cryptocurrencies. In this video, I'm going to be telling you exactly what happened today, why things are happening the way they are. We're going to talk about cryptos. We're going to talk about the stock market. Are they going to continue going up? Is cryptos going to go up? Make sure you guys stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to be talking all about it. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed with notifications on. There's an old saying in the crypto market or in trading or investing in general: show me the charts and I will show you the news. Let me go ahead and show you what's happening on the charts right now. So we're going to go to the S&P 500. We're going to take a look at the NASDAQ. We are seeing a strong breakout, a very, very strong breakout for the stock market. It's continually going higher and higher and higher. And here's the S&P 500. Here's one of my more complex charts that I share on Twitter. And what we are seeing here is that the S&P 500 was basically kept in a range where it's just traveling back and forth between resistance and support. And it finally broke out of this year range, but we are approaching resistance right now. So if the stock market gets rejected here, we will obviously likely see cryptos go down as well. But there is a chance for the stock market to break above this red box here and test higher levels. And if we zoom out, we can see that the S&P 500 or the stock market's almost back to where it was in a very strong bull market. So if we break above this red box here, which is an order block, which is an area basically where the price, when it comes up to this level, it sells off massively and crashes. But if we break past this and start taking out new highs and trending upwards, then the stock market is going to be very bullish, obviously, but it's going to be pumping cryptos up massively, especially as we are heading into the Bitcoin halving season. If we go over to the Bitcoin charts, we can see the same stuff that I've been mentioning in my previous videos. Cryptos honestly haven't moved much at all. Cryptos are green today. Bitcoin is up about 1.5%. That's not very massive. So we've seen a little bit of a bounce today. We've been seeing crashes and stuff the last couple of days, but cryptos ultimately are in the same spot as they've been in the last several days. So nothing much is happening, but cryptos have reclaimed this mid-range level, which means that we could potentially make new highs, test new highs, or test this resistance level over the weekend. And that would be pretty exciting if you're holding cryptocurrencies, if you are bullish for cryptocurrencies. But ultimately, cryptocurrencies are still in a strong downtrend. Taking a look at Bitcoin at 31,000 and change, we're still in a strong downtrend, and that has not yet broken yet. If we start taking out resistance levels and holding above and trending and breaking above these resistance levels and testing more resistance levels, then I will probably flip bullish in that moment. And we will probably test a lot higher numbers than what we're seeing currently. So that's what I'm looking at right now. The stock market's pumping. It's looking bullish. It's looking good. But let's get into why that's happening. Well, today there was a strong jobs market report. We also have the government coming to some type of deal with the debt ceiling. We have also the Fed in the next couple of weeks, they're going to be raising interest rates or potentially pausing. And we also have CPI coming up. So a lot of crazy volatile events this month of June. It's going to be absolutely crazy. But it really depends. Today's data was huge for the Fed and if they're going to continue to raise rates or not. We will have to see. They might pause rates, and if that does happen, the stock market will likely trend upwards further, and also the crypto market is going to trend up. But if the Fed doesn't pause, that will probably cause cryptos to trade sideways. Maybe the stock market crash, cryptos could head lower. We'll have to see, and we'll just deal with it as the time comes. So speculating all these things that could happen or couldn't happen really doesn't matter. Most importantly, the charts are going to show us everything we need to see. Cryptos are attempting. They're bouncing up right now. They're holding up strong. We didn't create new lows. We didn't break this support level, which is bullish for the meanwhile. But it looks like we might have a move up this weekend. So that's my thoughts. We're going to have a move up to the upside and potentially test these resistance levels. Let's see what the price does at resistance. If it breaks above and holds, which means that we start breaking out and trending upwards, we're obviously going to want to long, to be bullish, and to be buying, as we can see further price targets be hit. But that has not yet happened, right? That has not yet happened as of yet. And cryptos are still kind of barely moving, even though there was a strong jobs report and cryptos and stocks are pumping very, very hard. Now, if you guys want to have access to the most profitable trade alerts in the world, this trade alert, which you would have had access to on my Patreon, is up 70% and was up even further earlier today. If you guys want to have access to these trade alerts, join the Patreon right now to have immediate access. Also, if you guys are trading cryptocurrencies, make sure you are doing it over on BitGet, where there right now is a trading tournament where you can win up to $50,000 by participating and getting your P&L up there. If you are in the US, you will need to use a VPN to use BitGet. I recommend using NordVPN. Put your country in Mexico when you create the account and log in, and then you're good to go. And I also have this incredible trading indicator called ALGOSNIPER. This thing tells you exactly when it is best to buy and sell any cryptos. Look, it sells, it crashes. When it says buy, it goes up. You guys can try this thing for free at algosniper.com. That's going to be it for this video. If you guys got something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, making sure you are subscribed with notifications on, and I'll see you later.